こんにちは、パッソの小野です。皆さんは奥入表という言葉をご存知でしょうか？パッソでは通常西表島の北側にあるバラス島と鳩間島周辺の海をご案内しているのですが、島の西から南西に広がる船浮、網取、崎山をいつからか奥入表と呼ぶようになり、そのエリアでのシュノーケリングツアーも人気があります。パッソではチャーターツアーでしか行かないので、年に 1,2 回しか行ってなかったのですが、それも今年で終了することになりました。ということで、今年7月に行ったラスト奥入表チャーターツアーの様子をまとめてみましたので、ぜひご覧ください。
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised.
かがでしたか？バラス島鳩間島周辺の海とはまた違う面白さがこのエリアにはあります。今後ファストでは行かなくなりますが、もし興味があればそのエリアをメインにしているシュノーケリングショップもありますので、ぜひ行ってみてください。それでは本日も最後までご視聴ありがとうございました。また次の動画でお会いしましょう。バイバーイ。